Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I will show you how we can delete persons from Firestore. So I added a delete person button here to our layout and I entered the person I want to delete here. Then I press on delete and take a look on the right in my Firestore. When I press on that button, my Elon Musk person will be deleted. And I will also show you how we can delete single fields from our database. So instead of deleting the whole person, I show you how we can delete only the first name, for example. So as always, you can get my layout file from this video's description. There you can find my GitHub repository and you can also find the corresponding code for this video. So just check it out and copy it over to your XML code, and then we can jump right into our code. So the delete function will actually be very similar to our update person function. So if you understood how to update a person, then you will also easily understand how we can delete a person. So let's create a new function here. Or actually, we just copy it. Just copy and paste it, our update person, and we will adjust it. Paste it up here. I will call it delete person. And we don't want that new person map because we only want to know a person we want to delete. Then this query is fine because we first need to find the person we want to delete, and we again need the ID of that document. So we first need to make that query in our whole collection. And then we get all the documents inside of this query from the persons who have the exact same values as this person here. So we can then check if our person contains documents, so if it is not empty, and then we can loop over all the documents, so over all the persons who apply to that query. And instead of updating that person document now, we want to remove that code here. The simplest way to delete the whole document, so our whole person, is just writing person collection reference dot document, refer to the document we want to delete. So we use the ID of that document and then just call delete dot await. That's it. That will delete our whole document and therefore our whole person. But if we want to delete a single field of our person, then we have to do it a little bit differently. So we cannot do it like this. So I will quickly comment this out and start a new line here. Then we also need to refer to our document. So person collection reference dot document and pass the ID of our document. But this time we don't call delete. Instead we call update and pass a map of those values that we want to delete. And in case we want to delete the first name, we would have to write it like first name to field value dot delete. So what this will do is it will take our person and update it with a map, and it will update the first name field with this field value dot delete function. And for Firestore, it will be clear that we don't want to update this first name field here with a new value, instead that we want to delete it. So let's actually try that out and add an on-click listener to our delete button. So button delete person dot set on click listener, and here we want to get the person from our edit text fields. So val person is equal to get old person, and then we want to call delete person and pass this person. And if we now run this and take a look in our Firebase console, and you can see here is my Mark Zuckerberg. Let's delete the first name field of our Mark Zuckerberg. So I enter his name and his age. And when I now press on delete person, we shouldn't delete the whole document. Instead, we should only delete the first name field. So let's try that out. And as you can see, only the first name disappeared. But if we now go back to Android Studio and actually scroll down to our delete person function and uncomment this line and comment out this line, so that we should delete the whole document, we run our app, take a look, and for Mark Zuckerberg this won't work now, only if I add the field of the name again. So Mark, no, of course first name, and that is Mark. And if we now re-enter his name, Mark Zuckerberg, and his age is 59, and if we now press on delete person, then you can see the whole document will be deleted. So that is really similar to updating a person. I hope this helped you to understand all that deleting stuff. If you didn't understand something, then please let me know that in the comments and I can answer your questions. Have a good day See you in the next video. Bye bye.